people and fake checkup these days, bro, like it's becoming too much, bro. I can smell bleeding from a distance now. You go just the person will just randomly enter your DM. Bro, how you dey? How is family? How business? Which business? I think how they do business. They tell me how business. Before you know, you go this say that person wey dey talk better thing, he won't know how you do or something like that. Bro, now billing straight. It don't make me say I don't even get the experience. I don't. If you dey come, I don't dey. If you dey come for my day, I don't dey prepare. I don't even prepare answer. I will give you drop. It is easy for you know easy anywhere, bro. As it hard for you, I say it hard for everybody. So you get. You know this pattern of checking up and entering billing the next reply. You know, it makes sense. Again, when I change format, it don't make me safe. I don't even know people who actually check up on me. True. Person will come. How you dey? How family? How you dey? You don't tell. Wow. I bet I think get. Come on now. Blame not like this relationship again. You know, like our friendship. Sure.